Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Hunt Showdown better. To truly excel, you must first grasp the fundamental mechanics. Focus on mastering sound cues, understanding enemy sightlines, and becoming proficient with your chosen weapons. Prioritize a stealthy approach and maintain constant map awareness. Learning the game's many traits and consumables will also provide a significant edge in the bio. Effective movement and positioning are crucial for survival and securing kills. Always move with purpose, using crouch walking to minimize noise, especially near compounds. Actively seek out hard cover like stone walls or thick trees to protect yourself from incoming fire. Think ahead about your positioning, ensuring you always have an escape path or a clear line of sight for an ambush. Winning gunfights often comes down to precision and resource management. Always prioritize headshots, as they offer instant kills with most weapons. Don't hesitate to use your utility, like frag grenades or concertina bombs, to dislodge entrenched enemies or block pathways. Keep a close eye on your health bar and stamina. Knowing when to push or when to retreat and heal is vital. Elevate your gameplay by adopting an advanced tactical mindset. Learn to predict enemy rotations and identify common ambush locations on the map. Clear and concise communication with your teammates is paramount for successful pushes and defensive stands. Always be ready to adjust your plan. The dynamic nature of the bounty hunt means flexibility is key to securing victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.